Hi students, welcome back to the channel of Mukes's Group Tuitions. This is a small explanation of subset in the chapter sets now. So what is a subset? Subset. If A and B are any two sets such that all the elements of A are present in B. A का सब elements B में है, then A is called a part of that set. A is a subset of B. You write it this way: A is a subset of B. Okay. For example, you have a set. Suppose A is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and B is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now check and say A का सब elements B में present है ना? If all the elements of A are present in B, A का elements 1, 2, 3, 4 are present in B, right? So A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. But can I say B is a subset of A? No. Why B is not a subset of A? Because B का 4 और 5 A में present नहीं है. So here you write what? A is a subset of B. Therefore A is the subset of B. But B is not the subset of A. Clear? Now suppose I give you a set, then how many subsets can be formed of that particular set? So this is a very important question which generally comes as a MCQ. So if you have a set A, now this is something very important, please understand this. How many subsets can a given finite set has? This is your question. Okay, so the lecture is only to clear this doubt: how many subsets can a given finite set has? So let's take an example. Suppose you have a set A which contains only one element 2. Then इसका subsets क्या क्या आएगा? तो इसका subsets will be a null set, or it's going to be a set which contains 2, है ना? This null set is a subset of this set. Null set is always a subset of all the sets, and इसका element इसमें present है. So these two sets are, so for if you have only one element in the set, if the set contains one element, if the set contains one element, if the set contains one element, then उसका number of sets will be, number of subsets possible, number of subsets will be equal to 2 raised to 1. एक एलिमेंट है तो बोलने का 2 raised to 1. ओके, एंड नंबर ऑफ प्रॉपर सबसेट आया तो नल सेट नहीं चलेगा. नंबर ऑफ प्रॉपर सबसेट आया ना तो नल सेट नहीं चलेगा. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ प्रॉपर सबसेट आया तो नल सेट नहीं चलेगा. नाउ वी टेक अनदर एग्जांपल, सेकंड एग्जांपल. सपोज यू हैव अ सेट ए which contains two elements 1 and 2. then how many subsets are possible? तो इसके कितने subsets possible है? So you will get a null set, or you can have only one, or you can have only two, or you can have 1, 2, right? So if you have two elements in a set, then उसका number of subsets possible will be equal to 2 raised to 2. दो एलिमेंट है तो 2 to the power 2 आएगा, that will become 4 subsets. Clear? One more example. Suppose we have a set A which contains 3 elements A, B and C. तो उसका how many possible subsets are there? Tell me. So the subsets possible will be, a null set, or A, or B, C, or it can be A comma B. दो elements भी हो सकते हैं ना, or it can be B comma C, or it can be C comma A, or it can be A comma B comma C. So how many subsets are possible? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the shortcut to remember is if it has 3 elements, if the set has 3 elements, so number of subsets possible will be how much? 2 raised to 3 आएगा. That'll become 8 subsets possible. Okay, so in general, if a set contains 5 elements, so what is the number of subsets possible? Will be equal to 2 raised to 5 आएगा. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 बार करो 32 मिलेगा. Okay, if a set contains 4 elements, the number of subsets possible will be 2 raised to 4, that's going to be 16. If there are 10 elements, the number of subsets possible will be 2 raised to 10. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 10 बार करके देखो, you get 1024. So if it contains n elements, if a set contains n elements, how many subsets are possible? 2 raised to n subsets are possible. Okay, so if a set contains n elements, then it has 2 raised to n subsets possible. So please understand and remember this logic. That's very important for school 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th and 12th standard also. Thank you so much, students. Please share, subscribe and like the channel. You can share to your friends also. You can put doubts, you can ask queries, you can put a message about any particular doubt. I'll definitely give a lecture about that.